Joshua was driving a cargo train through Los Angeles City. He was transporting goods and some electronics, such as TVs, phones, headphones, etc. It was a Saturday, and he was working because he needed more money for his family. He recently bought a house and took a mortgage out for it, but he enjoyed his job because he loved trains. Suddenly, his nice ride was disrupted by a bus driver. The bus didn't check for that approaching train and went into the path of Joshua. Joshua smashed the bus and it fell to a canal. The bus was transporting around 25 people at the time of the accident. At least 15 people were heavily injured. The rest were miraculously with minor injuries. The bus driver was suspended from his job because the investigation showed that he was under the influence of drugs. Joshua was able to continue the train ride after police released the scene.
There will be 98 patients. That's one of